Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. In this video, we'll explore strategies to help you earn 1 crore rupees in a year, using real-life examples for inspiration. Let's dive in. Developing high-income skills is crucial. These include skills like software development, digital marketing, sales, and financial analysis. Investing time and resources in learning and mastering these skills can significantly increase your earning potential. Example: Sandeep Maheshwari started as a freelance photographer while in college. He mastered digital marketing and launched Images Bazaar, which became the world's largest collection of Indian images, earning him crores. Starting your own business can be a path to high earnings. Identify a niche market, develop a unique product or service, and focus on scaling your business. Leveraging social media and digital marketing can help you reach a broader audience and grow your business rapidly. Example: Kunal Shah founded FreeCharge, a mobile payment platform. Through innovative marketing strategies and a user-friendly platform, he scaled the business rapidly, eventually selling it for a significant profit. Investing in real estate can provide substantial returns. Research the market, identify promising properties, and invest wisely. Rental income and property appreciation can contribute to significant earnings. Example: Ramesh Bafna invested in commercial properties in Bangalore. Through careful market analysis and strategic investments, he earned rental income and significant appreciation, reaching over 1 crore rupees in a year. Investing in the stock market and mutual funds can yield high returns if done correctly. It's essential to research thoroughly, understand market trends, and diversify your portfolio to minimize risks. Example: Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, known as the Warren Buffett of India, started investing in the stock market with a small amount. Through strategic investments and a deep understanding of the market, he grew his wealth to crores. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and blogs can be highly lucrative. Focus on a niche you are passionate about, consistently create valuable content, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Example: Bhuvan Bam, creator of BB Key Vines on YouTube, started with simple comedy sketches. His engaging content attracted millions of subscribers, earning him crores through ad revenue, sponsorships, and live shows. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider offering consulting or coaching services. High-demand areas include business consulting, life coaching, and fitness training. Building a reputation for delivering results can help you charge premium rates. Example: Ankur Wariku, a renowned entrepreneur and mentor, offers business coaching and online courses. His valuable insights and practical advice have helped countless individuals and businesses, earning him crores. Earning 1 crore rupees in a year is challenging but achievable with the right strategies and dedication. Focus on developing high-income skills, exploring entrepreneurial ventures, making smart investments, and leveraging online platforms to reach your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Subscribe to Tech Info Guruji channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.